Hello YouTube, Boss Rino. Welcome to my channel. So ito, tirahin natin to. Ito ay kay Franco TV. Ito ay ang scariest moment ng 2022 niya. So ito maganda to. Oh, piling-pili na niya to. Sa Shopee ha, yung t-shirt natin available at meron akong bagong design. Abangan niyo yung bagong design ko ha. Baka magustuhan nyo, tirahin nyo na. So ito, tirahin natin to bago pa tirahin na iba. 10 creepy encounter. Ito malupit. Gusto ko to.
For some reason.
Ito.
What? Am I seeing something? Hold on. It looks like when the light's on, when the light is off, it looked like something was there. That was freaking weird. Hold on. I want to see what that was.
Puta, lumapit pa talaga.
I'm gonna turn on my headlight here.
Nakakatakot tong ganito, night vision lang.
That was creepy.
Yan ang nakakatakot. Yan kaya ang gawin ko sa Clark, night vision lang. Putang tibay ko nun.
Whoa. What? Am I seeing something?
Ha?
Hold on.
Nakakatakot, baka biglang may sumulpot. Takot yung part na yun, no?
King Eris, who are you?
So ito, nadidetect ng app na parang may nakalagay dyan, parang may nakatayo dyan na parang ewan ko, multo. Oo, may mga ganyan sila, Krisa, sila yung mga team kilabot eh. Oo.
Hello?
Takot yung lugar, oh.
Hold on.
Oh, tangina mo. Hindi ako pwede. Ay, ay, ay! Uy! Nakakatakot to pag, ano ba ako gagamit ito, tapos bigla labas sa ganun. Naku po, baka maibato ko yung cellphone ko. Gago, nakakatakot to. Ayun, oh.
Hello?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Ang dami naman yan.
King S.
There it goes again. Whatever it was that was outside came back.
Puta, takot ako. Nagulo ako sa sounds. Number 8.
Aaron, are you okay with me leaving this here?
Asylum.
Asylum.
Mahihirapan tayo dito. English. Putang ina, paano natin maintindihan to?
What about an asylum? This place has nothing to do with an asylum. Alright, at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off her. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the candle.
Uy! Shit!
Holy shit. I just had a door close on me. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the candle.
Pagkapatay ng kanila, oh. Boom!
Holy shit. I just had a door close on me.
Tapos ang dilim po, naka night vision lang siya, oh.
I just heard a knock.
This door just closed on me.
Laki ng hotel. Hotel yata to eh. Number 7. Ay, puta na sementeryo.
¿Alguien estás aquí? ¿Tú puedes decirme tu nombre?
Ayun o, nakita niyo yun?
¿Decirme tu nombre? What the hell was that?
Dito, may lumakad dito. Ito, putang ina mo. Saan ka pupunta? Hayop ka.
Holy shit. Hold on, I'm gonna keep my camera pinned on this. Hello? I just seen what looked like a shadow or something. It went like that, really fast. I saw it on the night vision.
Dami nakakatakot yung sementeryo sa kanila. May mga krus talaga. Yan o. Nakakatakot yung sa atin. Wala nang ganito eh. Wala nang ganito sa atin eh. Yung krus na ganito. Diba? Ito may nakabaon pa talaga sa lupa o krus. Ang old school nung sementeryo, mas nakakatakot siya.
IR. It looked like it just crawled right in there into the bottom one.
Grabe, nakakatakot yung sementeryo sa kanila.
This is the creepy area.
Eto nakakatakot, ito mga ganito, yung mga parang hallway pero puro patay na sa gilid, oh.
Just because of how big it is and a narrow road or sidewalk. And then it's got like these flowers here, which in the daytime look nice, but at night
ay, ang dilim.
it's terrifying. What the f is that?
O yun, Miss Milip. Grabe to, night mode talaga yung ginagamit niya. Wala sa flashlight talaga na maliwanag, do.
Holy shit. I got something.
Puta. Kinikilabutan ako.
I have no idea what the hell it is. Holy shit. I just got something extremely creepy on camera. As I was walking, you could see what looks like a mist in front of me. At first I thought it was fog, but then it looked like it was kind of moving really creepingly slow. And so as I walked towards it, I looked to the right, and right over here in the back, you could see what looks like something moving towards this wall area here.
Takot yung sementeryo. Parang ayoko nang pumunta sa sementeryo.
And candies. Isn't it?
Walang iya mo. Tingnan nyo naman to sa sementeryo na to. Parang ganito yung ginawa. Parang ganito yung pinuntahan ni Real Ghost TV eh. Itong huling vlog niya. Yung huling reaction ko parang ganito. Tingnan nyo naman to. Hindi ako lalakad dyan. Diyos ko. Tatawagan ko, text ko si Franco, makipag-collab din ako dyan.
Hello?
Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Ay, Diyos ko po, maawain. Walang niya mo.
¿Alguien estás aquí?
Ay, walang niya mo. Ay, tatakbo talaga ako. Tatakbo talaga ako.
The train. What the hell did I just hear? It sounded like somebody laughing. Thing is, on the maps, this area is blocked off. So once you walk back here, there's nowhere else you can go.
Ay, puta, corner ka dyan. Patay ka dyan. Bakit gumawa ng ganito? Walang lampasan, no?
Georgina?
Tatakot na ako, naiihina ako.
¿Por qué tú estás riendo? ¿Tú estás riendo o llorando? Es para sus
Ang lupit nun, tol.
amigos 8 de agosto, December 1887. Ricardo Isabella Mariano Nuevo Variado Nuevo de agosto, December 1887.
Ito yung may gumagalo sa likod, eh. Oo, ayan, no?
Ricardo Isabella Mariano Nuevo.
Gago, nakakatakot namang hayop na ito.
Why am I hearing screaming coming from within the catacombs?
Ay, puta. Ito na, tunnel. Ito, paborito ko talaga tunnel. Pag basa to, mas paborito ko yung mga basang tunnel.
Oyendo gritando.
Ay, Diyos ko, tuyo. Tuyo, oo. Matanda na to. Mga mga 43 na tunnel.
It is a little bit cold in here. Like it's more colder in here. I just heard a scream. Listen.
Tamo naman, oh. Ang dilim-dilim, oh.
I'm gonna get my GoPro. I just heard what sound like a lot of cracking noises.
Oh, shit. Ano yan? Ano to? Libingan din? Grabe naman, nakakatakot naman to. Try na, Diyos ko.
I got something moaning back here. Hello?
Grabe yung mga sementero sa kanila, no?
Oh shit. Look. There is somebody crying back there. Hello? Oh shit.
May nagsalita. Puta, ganun yung akala ko. Gago, akala ko puno.
Oh shit.
Ito. Ay, hindi. Nakaupo sa kanina. Tumayo. Oh shit. Baka taong grasa lang, pero kahit na, nakakatakot pa rin, no?
There is somebody crying back there. They took a right and turned into the mausoleums to the right. I'm not going anywhere near there.
Number 2, spirit can be seen.
I'm gonna
start heading
towards the suicide area where people end their lives. I don't want to look at this place. See, I could probably get some stock footage from it or something.
Ito yung nakakatakot. Nakita ko na to, oo.
What the hell is is that?
Gamit niya, lumiliwanag yung paligid. Pero sa kanya, madilim yan.
I saw something small there.
Madilim mo. Pag yung night mode, tinanggal niya, madilim talaga.
See if I could probably get some stock footage from it or something. See if I could probably get some stock footage from it or something. What the hell is that?
Ayun, parang may nakasilip, oh. Ano, wala.
Footage from it or something.
Ito, oh, tangkad, oh. Night mode to, night mode to.
What the hell is that?
Ito, number 1 na. Naiihina akong nyeta.
This is the house here.
Yan na, nakakatakot.
And right up there in the second floor somewhere is where a girl murdered one of her sisters and one of the family members.
May mga pinatay daw dito.
The rest of the family has been discarded of throughout the house.
Eto na. Ay, hahanapin ko to. O, hanapin ko to. Gusto ko itong mga ganito explore, yung mga bahay na ganyan. Puta, may lumakad kagad, oh. Ayun, oh. Ay, tangin ng mga tao. Grabe naman itong mga to. Grabe, ang ganda. Nag-enjoy ako dito. Hanapin ko to. Ano kayong title? Hanapin ko yan. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan, yung mga haunted house. Tapos explore lang. Oo.